Hello friends, this is Dr. Pawan Jagannath Tambre working as Assistant Professor in Chemistry at Maratha Vidya Prasarak Samaj, Nashik. In this video lecture, we will see classification of organic compound. Now, why this classification of organic compound is required? Dear friend, organic compound, one of large class of chemical compound in which one or more carbon atom is covalently paired with atom of some element like hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur, phosphorus, etc. Large number of such organic compounds are present in nature. At the same time, huge quantity of such compounds are synthesized by chemists artificially in laboratory. Because these chemicals are highly useful in various industrial sector in our day-to-day life. For example, these chemicals are useful as a medicine which are explored by pharmaceutical industry. We can find large number of such chemicals used in dye industry, plastic industry, polymer industry, and in natural gas. These compounds are present in large quantity. So, in order to systematize study of this organic compound, classification of organic compound is required. So these organic compounds are classified into two broad groups: open chain organic compound and cyclic organic compound. These open chain organic compound are further classified as straight chain and branch chain, and cyclic are classified as homocyclic and heterocyclic, which are further grouped into alicyclic and aromatic. And aromatic are further classified as benzonide and non-benzonide. In this video lecture, we will see example of each of these class and type to understand it in better way. So the first category of organic compound is open chain organic compound. So we will see what are open chain organic compound. So open chain organic compounds are further classified into straight chain and branch chain. So we will see some example of straight chain and branch chain, and I guess by looking at example you will understand what are open chain organic compound, that is what are straight and what are branch chain. So look at this example for straight chain organic compound. Now in this compound there is a straight chain of carbon atoms. Some heteroatom may attach to that carbon atom, but there is no branching of carbon in this molecule. Such a molecules are called as straight chain molecules or straight chain compounds. In the same way, if you look at this example, now in this case, suppose this is a chain of carbon atom, but at some position there is a branch. So this group is attached to that particular chain. Likewise, if you look at other examples, you will notice some branch of carbon atom in the molecule. So such molecules are called as branch chain molecule. All these molecules are open chain compound. There is no cycle in this molecule. So they are a type of open chain compound, in that either they are straight chain or they are branch chain. So I guess by looking at this structure you will come to know what is straight chain organic compound and what is branch chain organic compound. Now next one is cyclic compounds. So cyclic compounds are further classified into homocyclic and heterocyclic. So we will see one by one what is homocyclic and what is heterocyclic. First we will look at homocyclic organic compounds. So these homocyclic organic compounds are again classified into alicyclic organic compound and aromatic compound. Then these aromatic compounds are classified into benzonide and non-benzonide depending upon their structure. So we will see example of all these three category one by one. So alicyclic. Now if you look at these examples, in this example there is a cycle. It is either of 4, 3, 4, 5 or 6 carbon atoms. So these molecules are called as alicyclic, and in all these molecules the cycle comprises of carbon and hydrogen only. There is no other heteroatom like oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, phosphorus. So they are called as homocyclic compounds, and this is homocyclic alicyclic compound. Now next is aromatic. In case of aromatic, we are having benzonide and non-benzonide, that is benzene based aromatic compound and non-benzene based aromatic compound, but all these are homocyclic, that is the cycle is made up of similar atoms. For example, these are some example of benzonide. So all these three examples are having benzene as a basic structure. So these are benzonide aromatic compounds. And if you look at non-benzonide, then this cyclopentadiene anion and this cation, they are aromatic in nature and they do not have structure which resembles with benzene. So they are called as non-benzonide aromatic compound of homocyclic type, that is chain is made up of same atoms. Then the next category of cyclic organic compound is heterocyclic. So let us look at heterocyclic organic compounds. Again, these heterocyclic organic compounds are divided into two types, alicyclic and aromatic, in the same way as that of homocyclic. But from example, you will come to know between the difference of homocyclic and heterocyclic compounds. So heterocyclic, alicyclic, these are some examples. Now if you look at these molecules are cyclic in nature, but this molecule possesses more than one different types of atom in cycle. For example, in this tetrahydrofuran, apart from this 4 carbon, there is one oxygen in cycle. So this is heterocyclic, and it is not aromatic, it is just cyclic, so it is alicyclic molecule of heterocyclic type. In the same way, if you look at these two example, these are again a cyclic molecule which contain one or more heteroatom in cycle. So these are examples of alicyclic molecules of heterocyclic category. Then these heterocyclic molecules are classified into aromatic, and aromatic is again of two different types. It is either having benzene type structure or other structure. So benzonide and non-benzonide aromatic compound having heterocycles in it. So some example of benzonide. Now if you look at this molecule, this is pyridine. Pyridine resembles structure of benzene, but in this case there is one heteroatom in that ring. So this is benzonide type of heterocyclic molecule. In the same way, quinoline, it is also benzonide type of heterocyclic molecule, and so on. So if you look at this example, I think you will come to know what are heterocyclic, aromatic, benzonide type of molecules. In the same way, let us have a look at some example of non-benzonide aromatic heterocyclic molecules. For example, this furan is aromatic molecule, pyrrole and thiopene, all these are aromatic molecules. They are heterocyclic and their structure do not resemble with structure of benzene. So they are called as non-benzonide heterocyclic aromatic compounds. So these are different classes of organic compound depending upon structure of that particular molecule. I hope you understand about classification of organic compound. Thank you for watching my video.